Hi, I'm Darren Barney. I own Barney Brothers Off-Road in Grand Junction, Colorado. It was started back in 2003 by two brothers. My brother is really gifted at fixing anything. If you wanted to put a cage into a Volkswagen Bug or put a lawnmower engine onto a bicycle, he's the guy that can do it. I loved helping people, and so between the two of us, him working in the back and me working up front, we really love taking care of people and continue to grow a business. In fact, we grew so much that every year we were doubling our business, and didn't spend any money on marketing. In fact, all of our growth was just from word of mouth. And it's been a great journey. We've made a lot of great customers, and we literally have customers all around the world. Have people that fly in, they'll fly their vehicles from Germany to have us work on them and leave them with us for the year while we build a vehicle, and then they go and four-wheel it and break it and bring it back to us. So it's been a good journey, but we really take pride in helping our customers, get into the outdoors and kind of build their vehicles and use them for whatever they want to do. If it's a soccer mom and she just wanted to have a good looking Jeep, we can help them build that. If it's a guy that's wanting to go out and do rock crawling and really push his vehicle and go out and hang out with his friends, we can do that too. So when we first started marketing, all we did was word of mouth, and it grew really well, but we realized after time that we kind of wanted to, check out the bandwagon and see what everybody was talking about, because you hear so much good reviews about, the online presence and all those things that were there. And when we partnered with Shop Marketing Pros, everything really took a big jump forward for us. It was cool because Brian and Kim own Jeeps, and they really understand what we do too, which is go out and off-road those vehicles, build them, have fun with them, and go out and spend time with your friends and family out four-wheeling. And Brian and Kim actually came to our shop. We did a lot of four-wheeling together. We went to Moab. We even did some night runs. It was really a great experience to go spend time with the people that are doing your marketing. So when they're posting stuff on social media, I'm not getting posts about changing your wiper blades. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but it was more like, hey, this is what you can go. If you go with Barney Brothers, we can get your Jeep out where you want to go. We can build it to be what you want it to be. And Brian and Kim actually went and saw that firsthand, what we do. Working with Shop Marketing Pros has been incredible. Everybody on the team, we have Caroline and we have JR, and we have all these wonderful people that are there behind the scenes to make sure that our dream and vision for where we want to go with our shop has been met and exceeded. Every step of the way, everybody that we've had contact with has been very professional and helpful. And it's neat because, once again, we had other companies in the past that helped us with our marketing, but we never felt like we had the personal touch that was needed to make it feel like it was coming from me rather than coming from a company that's also doing it for 20 other shops or whatever it may be. And with Shop Marketing Pros, we got that one-on-one approach where it was personalized for our business and it wasn't just boilerplates. One of the reasons that I'm so glad that we went with Shop Marketing Pros was that I used to open up my Facebook or Instagram, and I would see a lot of posts that other shops that I follow had the same posts that we did. And it really bothered me because I don't want to be seen like every other shop and know that somebody else is pushing the button behind the scenes for me. I'm a busy guy, but yet I still believe in what I'm doing for my marketing. And so to have Shop Marketing Pros go in and tailor make stuff for me is very important. So I believe that Shop Marketing Pros will go in and help you to grow your business. I've seen it in my own business, and I've watched how our business has improved by getting the right customers in. When the phones ring, it's actually the right type of people that we're looking to be calling us, and not just somebody calling and looking for something that's completely out of our scope. Shop Marketing Pros has helped us to dial that in. It's also helped us to improve our image. Our image is about taking care of people and helping build good vehicles. And Shop Marketing Pros has helped us to fine-tune that and get that to a bigger audience. Actually, I first heard about Shop Marketing Pros by meeting JR. One of my friends recommended me to him. And then I met JR many years ago and we became friends. He actually came to some of my speaking events and enjoyed spending time with him. And then I watched Brian and Kim a lot. And I love Brian and Kim. They're both really good people that have good hearts. And we just had some common ground, especially with the four-wheeling and stuff. And so Brian and Kim speaking at events and just being truthful and honest and just feeling like we're doing business with the right people. So my favorite part about working with Shop Marketing Pros is just feeling like they know what they're doing and they've got us. It's something I don't know a lot about digital marketing. I don't know a lot about the stuff that they do, but I do know enough to be dangerous. And that's where Shop Marketing Pros comes in, and they've really got their team of specialists that can help you to really grow and understand what you're doing and not be blowing just smoke at you, but actually have the data to prove that it works. The best recommendation I have to anybody who's looking for a company is to actually look at Shop Marketing Pros. They are really a great company, and Brian and Kim and the rest of the team there will really take good care of you. I can tell you from personal experience that yes, you have the right people, and I would highly encourage you to reach out to them. I highly would recommend Shop Marketing Pros. Everybody on the team, Brian and Kim, especially being the owners of the company and setting the vision, they really believe in what they're doing, and their team emulates that, and you can feel that from every one of their team members. And Shop Marketing Pros is a really great company to use. I just wanted to say thank you to the Shop Marketing Pros team for really taking a personal interest in me and my business. Haley and Brian, Kim, JR, Brandon, everybody, Dylan, all these people that I've met, they've all really taken me kind of under their wing and helped me to feel like I'm not alone in this big crazy world of all these options for shop marketing companies. And Shop Marketing Pros really does care about you, and they care about me, and you can feel that when you deal with this company. So I'd highly recommend them and encourage you to reach out to them.